as continuous improvers, process improvers, we're in this spot all the time. We're expected to go make some sort of change, but we don't have carrots. We don't really have a lot of incentives for people. We don't have sticks. We don't have punishments. What we have is our influence. So we have to be really good at persuading people, and we have to be really good at understanding their work and their perceptions of work. So we really focus a lot on the why. And I break down why into three whys. So first is, why are we making a change? Which sounds so simple, but a lot of times we start making a change without thinking about it. So why are we making a change? And then we have to talk about why now. We usually go into environments and the business says we're just so busy. Why do we have to do more things now? So you have to have a really compelling reason to do it right now. And then what we call with them, or what's in it for me, which is often the hardest part, with them. And it's just thinking about, how does this impact someone's day?